frankly, just as important as curing the disease, to improve the quality of my son's life and the quality of the lives of all people living with this disease on the way to that cure. Take technology, because that's sort of the background I came out of. And when I sat in the endocrinologist's office and they explained to me this sliding scale, and they said, if blood sugar is this, give them this much insulin, if it's this, give them this much. And I said, are you kidding me? You know, we don't have a device that does this. We don't have a computer that can actually do this. We have to do this ourselves. My son has to do this for himself. So very early on, I said, we got to be able to do better than that. Having more people with access to the technology also gives the companies more of an incentive to invest in subsequent generations of that technology. Because we need better CGMs. We need more accurate and reliable CGMs in order to someday have a fully automated artificial pancreas. And one of the problems was is that if there wasn't enough of a market for these companies to bring those technologies forward, they just weren't interested in making the investments. So we have to make sure that the insurance companies are going to pay for it, that in fact they're going to provide that market so that these companies are going to make investments in the subsequent generations of the technology. So that's a much broader mission in terms of what JDRF is doing in our activities and how we're spending our money than historically we have been engaged in. But it stems from the fundamental assumption that we're not successful until things are available to people in their doctor's offices. It's not about when it happens in a mouse. It's not about even when it happens in a limited number of people in a clinical trial. It's about when it's available to everybody who needs it in a doctor's office. That's success. And that's how we think about it. So there are so many different things that need to happen on the path from that laboratory. There are so many opportunities for us to get involved to help reduce barriers, eliminate barriers, to accelerate the process, and we're committed to doing that.